And that's another job done. Got the flashing up. As you can see, it's white and brown. But there's a reason for that. 10-foot piece of drip edge just got me to what was there already. We'll go up and take a look. Well, it took me 3 tries. And what I had to do is put a wide piece here, because there's a big wave in here. And I tried to do this in one piece and that didn't work. So this is a piece. It goes up under the shingles. And then this is a piece, overlaps it. You can see there's a little, can you see that? There's a little lip. This piece lips up, which is why it's brown. That's the way the lip was on it. And then a piece of standard drip edge. And it's over top because remember the slope goes that way. So it'll run off of here downhill. And turn around here. And that goes right down 10 feet. And it runs right into what they had there before. So, not the most elegant, but a lot better than what was there before. And it should protect that nicely until we can get around to it. So, yippee-ki-yay! Like I said, it only took 3 tries to get this part done. So yeah, that'll do just fine for now. Temporary repair. It'll probably last longer than what was there before anyways. And it don't look too bad from down here. We'll take it. Time to put the tools away. It's really warm today. We got heat warnings in Northern Ontario. Thanks for dropping by.